Hi everybody, we are back in Port Akureyri, Iceland from our summer 2025 cruise on the Norwegian Star. We were actually here a couple years ago on the same ship. During that trip, we walked through the main square, the church, and the botanical gardens. This time we wanted to see something different, so we decided to follow the coastline past the main dock. We walked off the ship, past a few fuel trucks, and through the security gates. It's a short walk from the pier to the main road. The first building we passed was the Hof Cultural Center, which we recognized from our last visit but did not go in. It's a circular building near the waterfront. Now inside the building, the lobby is an open space with a cafe and a visitor center. You can also get free Wi-Fi, and their restrooms are free to use as well. Also, they have a shop where you can buy souvenirs. We couldn't resist getting one of these intricate handmade wooden sculptures of puffins. They're also selling sculptures of other birds native to Iceland. At first we thought it was $4 each, but it turned out to be $40, so we just bought one. We left the building and followed the path by the water.
On the left. Oh yeah, of course. About that. Photo. I like those logs.
Picture of a picture with a real ship in the back, the same ship. It's like they say all inclusive. Everything's included. That's like, you don't live here all the time. Where? But yeah, I mean that's perhaps a valid.
What's the cheapest electric car?
Wow. We would never have seen this.
These are disappearing.
Yeah, I know. It's like a car wash. Look at that.
That feels smart.
Car wash, yeah. And deli. They put it in English, car wash. Sweet. Texas. A Texas lawnmower. Yes.
I bet they fine you like 100.
That's what it says.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, look at those houses. Fenced off. Bridge. Just joking, I think.
We got stopped up this hill.
It's a nature reserve. I mean, this is a pretty easy walk from the port. Watch out for turds. Nothing really here.
No.
Okay.
Oh, where's the monument?
Yeah. And then look, they're trying to build something really high up, really tall, with that crane, right?
This side of the town is mostly industrial. We pass a few warehouses and the Viking Brewery, very distinctive with a large beer can painted on the silo outside. It's a straightforward walk from here to the cruise terminal.
Yeah.
Here are a few photos we took from this hike. So what do you think of this alternative Akureyri walking tour? Would you take the time to hike the dirt trails or stick to the main town like we did on our first trip? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out our other content from our Iceland cruise. See the link in the description. Thank you very much. Happy cruising, and we'll see you soon in the next video.